In this video, we're melting a bunch of bronze down in my brand new furnace, and we're gonna see how it goes. There we go. Alright, so it's much quieter than the small one. I don't know if it's as hot as the small one. That might be we need to do more, get those dialed in. But yeah, so we're gonna try and get that properly dialed in, and then we'll see if it burns hotter. But it's turning red, so it should be good. All right, so we got it melting in there. It's taking forever. Oh no. Alrighty, and pour one, and pour two, and that is a wrap. Oh, it's filming, sweet. Alright. Looks like success. Oh, use that sand. It's wet, water brush. Get the sand off, because we need to be able to reuse that. That goes as well. Just add some colder water. You filming? Okay, so we just got two more beautiful castings. This one's not as great as this one. This one's the best of the two. But that very happy with both of the results. Okay, so at this point I've made so many of these I have no idea which is which, so this is just like all of them. There's actually quite a few more. I don't know where I put them though.